Hey, this is Lucian MacAndrew, and today I'm bringing out both the curbs. Mainly gonna do 50-50s, maybe see if I can do a nose grind or a overcrook or something. So yeah, let's skateboard. Okay, didn't have time to skateboard so much there because the children's brigade were out and wanted to borrow my skateboard, so you know. It is what it is. Anyway, that was all for today, so see you next time and rock a fucking roll.